I'm COURTLEY, former Navy SEAL and best-selling author of SEAL Survival Guide. Look, when I was in the service, this was our survival food. If I had a dime for every one of these I had to choke down, I'd be retired. That said, we've come a long way when it comes to survival food. This stuff tastes amazing. So why be in a survival situation and not enjoy really good food? Let me tell you what you're gonna get when you order the 3-month kit. You're gonna get a ton of food. 3 months worth of breakfast, lunches, and dinners. It comes in these 2 impact and water resistant totes. You can stack them, put them in your basement, put it in a closet. If you need to, you're on the run, you grab it, throw it in the trunk of your car, and you go. The best part about it is, you know that at the very least, in the worst case scenario, you will have enough food to live on for 3 months. Order this now and be prepared so you can be a survivor and not a statistic.